Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now this is new. This is a Blakston Forex website, which is slick, which is nice, which has limited features. And as described in this video, we're able to understand how we're able to achieve most of all this information. Now this is the front end section of the website. So today we're able to add more features to this kind of website. Now this is the user section, and this is the user dashboard. This is how it is nice, it is slick. Let me just show you guys how it looks in mobile view. And this is the mobile section, as you can see. If you want to know how we're able to implement these results, we're able to message just look this video to the walkthrough to be able to understand we're able to accomplish and get all this set up. See you guys in the next segment. So I'm using Ostinger for this video section. Let me just show you guys. This is my domain name, which is empty. And the very first thing you do was you come to your hosting environment, which is your H panel or your C panel. First thing you do is create your company email account. Once you create your company email account, ensure to save this information on your notepad. So I've done mine. I'll just go straight to the file manager section. So this is the file manager section. I'll click on public_HTML. I'll go straight to where I have upload and select my file. So this is it. I'll click on this and click open. Now this is uploading. I'll go back to my dashboard, go to where I have database or database wizard if you're using C panel. Let me just fill out this information. So I always use DB at the ending and users to always differentiate my database information. Now after you've done that, ensure to copy your database information and save this on your notepad. Then click create. If you're using cPanel, always click on all privileges. Do not skip that, okay? So after you've done this, ensure to go to PHP Good. So next step is go to your paper_HTML. Our file has been uploaded successfully, so I'll just extract this file. So double click on the folder section, copy all the information here and move this to your public_HTML or your add-on domain. So do not forget to delete the zip file and also the folder. Okay, next step is go back to your PHP go to import, then choose your file. Now this is our database. Click on open, then go to import. So our database has been uploaded successfully. I'll click on structures. So go back to your public_HTML, scroll down to where you have db.php, edit this. So the database we created, just copy and paste, okay? This is our database name. Here is our database user. And so here is for the password section. Then you exit this section. Then you go to admin, go to assets, go to PHP, scroll down to where you have send_email.php, edit this. Now the host name here should be sntp.ostinger.com. Once you create your email account, the very first email you see on your inbox is your mail configuration settings. So why using Ostinger is sntp.ostinger.com, but if you're using cPanel, yours might be mail.yourdomainname.com, or it depends on what the hosting will give to you once you open your webmail. So go back again to copy your company email, company mail username. So then this should be your password. Copy your email password. Good. So you change this name to, let me say, Blakstone Biggie. You know, click on save. And I'll exit section. So we're good to go. I'll go back to our domain name and reload this section. So this is the front end of the website. So I just updated this because it wasn't arranged before. So just have to work on this. So this is how the front end is, which is nice and which is different from what you may have seen. And the next section is, I just want to go straight to the point. So this is how it is, but you just have to work on most of the navigations, okay? So let me just go to login section, and this is for the user sign up information and registration. Now let me open this in a new notepad, new tab. So it will be domain/admin/login.php. Now this section is on how you will be able to log in your admin section. So let me go back to your PHP admin. Go to admin. Now this is for admin information. You can see admin and admin password. You want to create this is easy. Go to edit, put in your admin information and password, but do not encrypt. Just put it and scroll down and click go. Okay, so let me go back here again and put the information. So I'll click on login. Good. Now this is the admin section of the website, which is nice and which is slick. It's very, very responsive. As you can see how it is. And the very first thing I'll do is I'll come to account. Okay. So let me you can update the admin password here. If you come to update, so you just change this is your current password, put in your new password, and automatically change your admin information. So for this is for your wallet address. So to change this BTC, just put your, let me say, not available. Now, very important notice is, so let's click on update. You can see it has updated the wallet address successfully. Now, one most important information I have to tell you guys is, once you get a script that has to do with BTC wallet, has to do with payment options. Now, security is mandatory. Once you get a script, meaning you're a dev, and also let your users know that you check the wallet address frequently for security reasons, because hackers usually hack into cPanels, hack into loopholes in scripts, and most of you might not even know the loopholes, but they get your domain name. They will just use some slash to your vendor link, and they'll get into your website. That's how they enter your website as a loophole. So you just have to be able to ensure you use a good hosting that tackle hackings and any loopholes you have in your script. They're able to find it for you. Also use antivirus that will be able to check your designs you purchase from me or purchase from anybody, just to be security okay with what you're doing and what you're delivering to your customers. So we tell them to confirm their wallet address, or tell their users to confirm the wallet address before making deposit. So that's how it is. So we've done that. Now we have miners, copy traders, signal packages. Now, so in order for us to get this, let us go straight to the website. Let's create an account. So let me just fill out this information. So I'll just put my password. And what color is snow? Just put white. And agree to this. Then click on sign up. You can see this is how it is. Registration successful. Please check your email. And let me go to my email. So I don't know, maybe it's my host. Email usually comes on time. So let me just go to admin, go to users, click on edit this user. Now this is the user section. And you can see this is user balance section, add profit and all. Now account verification. Let me just verify this. Okay. Now I'll come back to sign in and sign in with my email and my password. And sign in. Good, so this is the website. Now this is the mobile view section of this website. As you can see, this is the mobile view section of this website, which is nice. Okay, so let me just take this back again and explain more on this. Now as you can see, we have NGN here. Now go back to this particular user. Now this is user profile. And this is for send email, send notification, and send pop-up email. So the copy trade status all are active. So first thing, come to copy traders. Now there are more copy traders here. Just go to add traders. Trader name, let me just say for OB. Then the win rate for this trader here is 87%. Profit percentage here is 35. Then save trader. So this IR trader. If you go to signal packages, now let's create a signal. Create new signal package. Signal, and let me say first VIP. Return on investment. Let me say this should be 65. Accuracy 89. Price here should be from $600, and duration here it's 9 days. Create signal package. You can see first VIP, right, for 9 days. So this is how you create signal packages. So this is our trade history. Alright, now come to miners. Now miners here is also like investment strategy. So go to create new miner. Let me put this as VIP plan. Return on investment here is 55. Maximum amount here is let me say 35,000. Minimum amount here is 500. Cycle days here is 5 days. The currency users are mining for, let me say, mining for Theta, which is USDT. Then create miner. So basically this is how you do it. Okay, so once I go back to the user section here, let me reload. So I'm getting this is, I don't know what I'm getting here as Naira. Definitely you have to check this section and change. Okay, so we have this is the user section here. So let me go to portfolio, okay, which is the main dashboard. Come to trade, and this is live trading section. Let me go to stop trading. Let me select this and let's see. Then let me put our amount to trade 100, 1 minute, and leverage. Let me say sell. Sufficient balance of trade. Yep. So I'll go back here, go to portfolio. Okay. So let's go to deposit section. Go to deposit. Now let's select Bitcoin. You can see not available. So always ensure to copy out. Always ensure to tell your customers or your users to confirm wallet address before making payments. So after users have done this, upload payment proof, and I'll click on submit. As you can see, payment successfully. So I'll go back to portfolio. So I'll go back to the miner section, go over to the admin, then let me scroll down to where you have deposit history. I can see deposit history here, then click on approve this. You can see this has been approved. As I go back to the user dashboard and reload this section. So the next section here is, let's just scroll down. Let's see. Come to this section again. Then if you go to trades, now let's redo the trade. Go to stock. Then scroll. So all these are example purposes, okay? Then I'll go back to admin. Scroll down to where I have trade history. Now all these are trade history. And this is the trade we did. So I'll just edit this trade and select the result of this trade to win and put their profit amount. Let me say 300, and status should be open or completed. You can just say open. Update trade. So once I come back to this section here, let me go to transactions. Okay, this is the deposit transactions. So I'm coming. Let's go to trade again. Okay, go back to portfolio. Let's see. So basically I think this is it. So go to trade history. Okay, trade history. Now this is the trade history here. On status showing trade closed. This is the amount for the trade. So let's go to stock. Okay, let's stock package. This is basic plan. Go to this and start investment. Invalid amount. Minimum of 500 here. And this is for stock. Go back to admin. Now we have, let's see. So basically all this section here are things users will be able to see by themselves. All what you just have to do as a dev, you're able to touch most of the section that you are not interested in. You can just change it. Okay, so let's go back to subscription. And users can account upgrade, they're able to upload again and just copy. Let me just do something like this. Good. So let me go back to admin. So as I come to admin section, I'll go back to deposit history again. Should be somewhere here. So basically there are so many features that you're able to see. So once you come to user section here, then go to edit users. So this is the section you add order balance, update order balance. So just add something to the BTC wallet section. Can update all this balance. Once you update this balance, then you come to and click on OK. Go back to the portfolio which is your dashboard. I can see the balance has been updated here. Now for the signal strength, come to that same user, go to signal strength, update this. So let me say signal strength here is 78. Yeah, in the trade progress, you can update trade progress to 56. All depends on you. On this particular user, let me reload this section. Now this is the trade progress and the signal strength, as you can see. Okay. So once you come to let's say account type is basic, you can change user account type to, which is for the account upgrade. After they upgrade their accounts, so this should be standard and update it. So I'll come back here and reload. So instead of the basic here, it should be standard account, okay, for the user. Now this is for signals. Users can purchase for signals. This is the signal we created. They'll click subscribe. They'll buy now. They'll buy using their balance and go back to portfolio. Go to signal history. So you can see for 9 days. So after users have done the signal section, you can just come back to the particular user. So to come to this particular user, you can just update their profits here. You see the profit balance here is 5.6. So investment balance. So just be updating this section this way. As you can see, this is how you update. You can update their currency. Let me just say USDT here, it should be, and you update. So that's how it works, okay? Then come to send pop-up email, pop-up notification to users. Let's say hello, show pop-up yes, and send pop-up. Once I come back to user section, I reload here. Let's see. Okay. Let's go back again to send notification. So most times I would suggest you use a different host for this installation of this website. Why? Because some hosts might not show the exact stuff you want due to the PHP. Now this is for SendMail, due to the SendMail, and most hosts do not use SendMail depending on the PHP mailer installed on the website. So let's click here. Let's see. Go back to this section here. Let's see if there's any other space for us. Okay, we go to copy experts. Now this copy expert section, you click on copy. Let's say okay. Now you can only copy one trade at a time. And this trade has been copied. Okay. So most of the information you see there are just fluke in terms of just to enrich more of the designs and structure. So the most important here we're doing is the signal and trades. Okay. So as I go back here to this is for the subscription, we've done signals and stock. So go back to portfolio, which is the account, come to upgrade. Now upgrade is for you to upgrade one of all this your coin. You can see. So this is how it works. Okay. So there are more to do here, but with time coming, I'll be able to upgrade all functions. But this is how this particular website works. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys more of the. This is for account status. You can block the user, you can lock trading status, you can lock for all this. You can generate deposit history. Let's generate this. Let's see, maximum of just 5. Generate deposits 5. Let's go to transaction. Let's see. You can see how it is, right? We generated all this. Now you can also generate again for withdrawal. Then add profit. You can add profit balance. Add profit. You can also deduct money from the user. You get it. Now you can also update the OTP section. Now the new OTP here should be 1234. And I'll update this. So you can see how it is, right? Now let me send email. Let's say hello. Then you can send email. So I'll go back to my email. As you can see, we got the email, meaning it's working from the admin. Definitely, I don't know, we're not getting emails from sign up and all, but we send email from here, it's working. So I'll check them again. Now if you go to notification section here, okay, there's no notification. So for the meantime, now this is what this script entails normally, and this is the major information users get here. That's what you've seen. Okay, so within some period of time, more account upgrade will come up soonest, so just be patient. Okay, so guys, if you like this script, please message me on WhatsApp on how to get and how to also customize it. And please hit the subscribe button if this is your first time on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching my video.